Hey everyone, Jeannie Robertson here. Hey, I ran across a channel called Billie NOU, N-O-U, and I will put it in the description. I was as thrilled with her work as I was when I first saw a silk painter. Now, Billie uses fresh flowers to dye linen clothing that she sews herself, and it is all gorgeous. And like I said, I'll put the link below. But look, in my eagerness to try it myself, I ran and grabbed a strip of silk and went to my garden and picked up a bowl of flowers and proceeded to dye the silk with these delicate, beautiful flowers. So here I am arranging roses, begonias, some little violets, though I wish I had more violets, super bells, marigolds, and impatiens. It's just such a beautiful, special thing to do and has given me so many ideas for special pieces of art. The flower petals are laid out on this wet silk. Then I'm going to roll it up in a minute and tie it up very securely, and then I'm going to put it in my steamer and let all of these colors steam this silk. I'm going to leave it for about an hour or more and just look at what we have at the end. So stay tuned, okay? Now you see me rolling this silk up, and I'm going to, after I get it rolled up pretty snugly, I'm going to tie it up with some silk thread that I have. It doesn't really matter what you use to tie it up. Yeah, and after it's all rolled up in a nice little snug thing, and it is wet, and that's why I have this plastic on the table, because I don't want to ruin my wooden tabletop. So now, because it's drippy, I'm going to put it in this little tray, and I'm going to carry it over to my steamer. And I believe after I tie this up, the next thing you're going to see is me taking it out of the steamer, and then we'll roll it out and take a look at it. Okay, thanks.